What if there was a way to freely energize your whole system in same time creating a huge amount of spiritual steroid which will make you awake or realize enlightenment at a way greater speed in same time of making your health so much better, and not only this, but to make your skin way smoother, way softer. Would you be interested? Pranayama Kapalabhati. This yogic practice has been performed since thousands and thousands of years, and there is no way for me to tell you all the benefits from it because it is way too powerful. Before starting to perform Kapalabhati, I used to be sick pretty often, to have a lot of pimple in my face, not a pretty skin, and lack of energy. And as I began to do Kapalabhati every day, without skipping, with no excuses, suddenly I found myself going a whole year without being sick, and even more. I found my skin becoming pretty out of nowhere without using a single penny on cosmetic. I found myself being able to energize my whole system even if I would sleep only 4 hours of sleep. No matter what is my current situation when I wake up, I am able to bring the whole system back to being vibrant and powerful, and even more energized than if you would drink 3 coffee back to back. And when we perform Kapalabhati, we are oxygenating every cells within our system, and it is now proven by modern science that every day cells are reproducing, some cells are dying, and some cells are getting sick. And based on the researches, we now know that as we oxygenate cells, we can heal the sick one, we can bring back to life the dying one, and we can reproduce more cells. But why would you want to take so much care of your cells? Let's put it in a simple way. You can imagine life as stairs constantly moving. And this is where you are. You have to constantly walk on the stairs that are going down. And if anytime you get to this point, you die. And if anytime you stop walking and you get to this point, again you die. So you have to constantly be in the middle. And your cell's reproduction is what is controlling this fact. And with the modern human being, at about 40 years old, they begin to have more dying cells and sick cells than reproducing cells. And this is when the process of aging begins to be more heavy on the system. And pranayama will help you to live a longer life, but not just a longer life, a healthier life, while in the same time pumping the first chakra Muladhara of the 7 main one, to pump the energy and throw it all the way up to your last chakra of the 7 one, to Sahasrara. And this is why this practice is so powerful. Now let's get into the mechanics of how to do Kapalabhati. So first of all, sit in Siddhasanas. hold this mudra, which is prana mudra, with your palm facing upward, right here on your knees, on your thighs, where it feels comfortable, without having your wrist bent. You want it to be straight. Push your tongue on the back of your teeth and on your upper palate just a bit to make sure that there is no oxygen that will accumulate within the area of your cheeks. And then what is the mechanic? What is the movement? It is extremely simple. To show you, let's first imagine that there is a point right on your belly button and that you want to suck this point inside slowly. So it will look like this. And once it's inside, let it go. Let's do it again. Slowly suck your belly button within. Let go. And you will notice that when you suck the stomach within, you are pushing oxygen. And when the stomach takes back its initial position, right away oxygen enters within you. Just like if you would take a bottle, you press on it, oxygen get out. As you let it take its initial form, oxygen get in. So while you perform Kapalabhati, it is all about the movement of the stomach. You do not need to do anything about inhaling and exhaling. The only thing you do is move your stomach in this way that I showed you, but faster. A bit similar to if you will get a punch in the stomach. So it will look like this. So how do I do it? Again, I quickly suck my stomach in and then simply let go. And the reason why I made you do it slowly first was to understand the movement. And once you understand it, you are ready to add power and do it more fast. So again, let's do it together. The stomach suck in fast, then you let go immediately as you are done. So it look like. And as you notice, I am not doing it so powerfully that my whole body is moving. If you will look like this, this is no good. If you look like this, no good, not strong enough. So something just in the middle, in between, which will look like. And that is all you need to perform Kapalabhati. And at first you might sometimes feel maybe a little bit of pain in your stomach. If it happens, just take a small break and it goes away very fast. So no worry about this. And you can set a timer for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 hour if you wish, and perform Kapalabhati non-stop, just like this. This is a great speed to use, but before being used to it, you can go on with this speed instead. And that is all you need to know for Kapalabhati. It is so powerful, so incredible, but yet so simple, luckily for us. So if you have any more questions on the mechanics of how to perform Kapalabhati, feel free to ask me and I will be there for you. And remember that there is no need to focus too much on the technique, on trying to be perfect, wondering, am I doing it right? Simply do it every day. Feel what you are doing, and you will notice that daily you will be becoming better and better. It will be more and more effortless for you, and you will notice new little tips and tricks to do it better. So may your life be with Kapalabhati every single morning and also during the day, so that ultimate health and spiritual evolution can be yours.